Hi everybody, this is Shelly. I'm coming to you from Picnic Peeps. Today we are in the Grand Teton National Park and we are making a mushroom bruschetta. We're pairing it with the Stillwest IPA. So let's get started. A couple days ago when we were in Jackson Hole, we went to the Stillwest Brewery and we hung out for a while to get some work done and had a few appetizers, and our favorite was the Mushroom Platter. So this is going to be what we're readapting today, and it is a blend of seasonal mushrooms with shallot, garlic, white wine, butter, and lemon and herbs. So we're going to be making our own version of that today to serve over grilled toast points. So this is going to be something that you can make outside on your own camping trip. When we were at the brewery, it's beautifully designed. You walk in and it's wood wall, beautiful high ceilings, a gorgeous view out to the ski slopes. I can't even imagine in season what this would be like, but we had a great time there and the staff was amazing and the food was wonderful. First things first, we're going to get all of our ingredients mixed together. So here I have a combination of 3 different mushrooms. I have baby bellas, white mushrooms, and I have golden shiitakes. So we're gonna add these to the bowl, okay? Next I have a full shallot that I'm gonna add in. So we're gonna add a fair amount of garlic to this. I'm gonna season with olive oil, salt, and pepper. And this is to taste. And then also red pepper flake. So mix that up. Next, we're going to add the ingredients that are going to be added after the mushrooms have cooked down. So I have arugula here. So we're gonna have this peppery bite to it. And this won't take a lot of time on the heat, so this is gonna be added just at the very end. I also have some chopped up sage and some chopped up thyme. For this stage, we're gonna have some Parmesan that's added. So this is a pre-shredded Parmesan. All right, now I'm gonna get our bread ready. So I have cut a baguette up on a diagonal. So we have the most bite surface, and we're going to brush it with olive oil on each side. I have added some garlic paste and salt and pepper to the olive oil, so our bread will be nice and seasoned. So now we're at the grill and we're gonna get our mushrooms going. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of butter. It's already melting to my pan. So get this melted a little bit. And then we're gonna add our mushrooms in. So what we need to do is cover our pan. If you don't have a cover for your pan, like I do, you need to make it out of tin foil. Our toast points are almost ready. Ooh, that one looks really good. Still waiting on the mushrooms to cook. In the meantime, having some wine. Ooh, they are looking so good. And so now we need to add our white wine. They're ready, the wine has cooked down, so they are ready to add the next step. So we've got our Parmesan, arugula, and herbs. So I'm gonna add this straight in. And we're gonna toss this all together and top with some lemon. Little brightness from the lemon. And we're ready to plate.
Ooh, they look good, baby.
Yeah. Get one.
Cheers.
Cheers to us.
Us. The bread's nice and crunchy. The mushrooms are kind of, soft and cooked through. It's really delicious.
It's so savory.
The wine gives it a little bit of tanginess.
And the arugula has a little bit of a bite. From us to you, have a great night. Cheers.
Cheers.